In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own unique avatar in Canva. Let's get started by launching Canva in your internet browser. Simply enter the web address for Canva or click the link you have saved. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll notice several options. Click on the Continue button to proceed. This is where you'll start your creation journey with Canva, especially if you have an account already set up. If you're already logged into Canva, your next step is to select your account. You'll likely see a dialog box prompting you to choose which account you want to use. Choose the one that is linked with your Canva projects for a seamless experience. Once selected, you'll need to click Continue. This step ensures that you're working with the right set of tools and templates and that your projects are saved under the correct account. Now open the project where you'd like to create your avatar. If you're starting fresh, you can simply click Create a Design and set your desired canvas size. For those who have a specific project already going, select it from your playlist to begin editing. With your project open, locate the Apps option on the side menu. This is a treasure trove of additional tools and functions. In the search bar of the Apps section, type Character Builder. This is the tool we'll use to craft our custom avatar. You'll see it pop up as a result. Click on the Character Builder option to load it into your project. Once the Character Builder is open, click on Open to start personalizing your avatar. You'll be greeted with the default avatar, but the fun part is that you get to change almost every aspect of it. Let's start by editing the head. Click on the avatar's head region to reveal options for shape, size, and various features. Next, highlight your avatar by clicking on the Highlight button if you want certain features to stand out. When you're satisfied, move to the body. Again, click on the area you want to modify and adjust the features to your liking. With an abundance of clothes and accessory options, you can make your avatar truly yours. The face is another important part of your avatar. Click to edit facial features such as eyes, mouth, and nose, changing shapes and expressions as you wish. Skin tone and hair color are entirely customizable as well. Choose the skin tone that best fits the personality and character of your avatar. Then move on to adjust the hair color, be it natural or something more expressive. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, you're done. Feel free to click Done to save your avatar. You now have a unique character that reflects your style and creativity, ready to use across your projects or as a playful online representation. Thank you for watching and have fun bringing your avatar to life.